I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. Today we're focusing on Cozy Hearty Winter Soups. I'm so excited to put this soup together and show you just how easy it is. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It is a cold, windy winter day where I live, and I have my slow cooker on high. Inside, I've already added 4 cups of chicken broth. I have put my broccoli in my food processor, and I'm just going to chop it until I get it into some small pieces. This is about 12 ounces of broccoli. We'll just pour the broccoli right into the slow cooker. We'll also add 4 tablespoons of butter, which is 1/2 of a stick. We don't want to wash our food processor yet because we're going to have the equivalent of a small onion, and it's going to be chopped. I like to chop mine nice and fine. So I put it in my food processor to chop it up. We'll add in our onion, 4 tablespoons of minced garlic, and we're going to add about 1 to 2 cups of shredded carrots. Now we'll just add in our carrots. Don't forget to include some salt and pepper. At this point, we'll put the lid on and let it cook for 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. We are going to be having dinner in about 30 minutes, so I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and I have 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I'm going to mix these together. I'll just use a little whisk to combine the two. We don't want to have any lumps, so if we poured it straight into our broccoli and cheddar soup, we would have lumps all through there because it would be impossible to get it mixed out. Now that we have mixed all this together and it's nice and smooth with no lumps, we're going to go right ahead and pour this right into our slow cooker. We'll get this all mixed in, and this is really going to thicken our soup and make it really nice, just like it is at the restaurants. The only thing we have to do now is just add in our cheddar cheese. I have about 4 cups of cheddar cheese here, and I'm just gonna get this all mixed in. This is gonna be so delicious. Now I'll put the lid on. In about 15 to 20 minutes, it'll be time that we can serve our wonderful broccoli cheddar soup. It is so delicious. I am so glad you are here. I hope you give this recipe a try and realize just how easy this soup is to put together. It's perfect for a cold winter's day. I would be so happy if you check out the channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.